Okay, you're back with Mike, your Peak Handyman. Today we're at my customer's house and we're installing a ceiling fan in a office space that has a vaulted ceiling at 16 feet. So this is a very high location, and I just wanted y'all to see the installation for these high ceilings. Okay, we've made our way in the house, up the stairs, and we are, or I should say my partner Dennis is assembling the fan and getting it ready to go up the ladder and be installed. So we'll be back in just a couple minutes. Okay, so we have finished the high ceiling fan installation, and today's job is finished here. If you need anything in the way of handyman services, please remember, Peak Handyman Service. Thank you.